Let's set up your contacts. Contacts are anyone outside your organisation, your worksite foreman, the local medical centre, a test and tag technician. Keeping them here means you won't waste time hunting for numbers or emails when the pressure is on. Here you'll notice that there are a few mandatory fields. Let's hit the Download Template button and get started. With the Excel spreadsheet now open, remove the dummy data and start entering your company contact information. You'll notice some of the columns are red. These are the mandatory fields that I mentioned earlier. Some fields have drop-down options. These you pre-populated earlier in the onboarding process. Once you've finished entering all your contact information, simply click Save and head back to the onboarding page. Now let's click Next.
Let's drag and drop the file into the upload section
and then hit Next. The system will scan the info and do a validation check. Any errors will show up here along with the corresponding Excel line to go back and fix up. If there's nothing to address, simply hit Next. Give your data a quick review and then hit Next. Let's hit that Start Import button. You'll then get this Import Successful screen along with any notes. To check out the data that just got imported, head on over to the All People tab to find your contact list.